Let's first open the Personal Center and enter the agent configuration page. Click Dynamic Residential Proxy. API configuration must first add a whitelist. Click Manage IP Whitelist. Click Add Whitelist. Click Add Whitelist. Copy your IP into the whitelist IP and click Submit. Go to Proxy Settings. Choose the country you want. Select the number of IPs to extract. Select the number of IPs to extract. There are two options for session type, rotating IP and sticky IP. Select Rotating to rotate the IP based on each request, or select Sticky to retain one IP for up to 180 minutes. Click to generate API link. In Get API Link, click Open Link. You can see the agent information. Copy the agent, then we go to Configure the agent. Click on New Environment. Custom Environment Name. Select SOCKS 5 as the proxy type. Fill in the proxy host and proxy port. Click to detect proxy. If the connection test is successful, it means the configuration is successful.